Now we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show the label tag. It's used to add a label to certain elements. So if I give you an example, it becomes obvious. It's mostly used in forms. Let me create a new paragraph. I'll add an input field. And if I refresh it, you can see this input field. And before it, usually you want to add text. For example, you want the user to type in his first name and email address, something like this. But screen readers, they don't know if this is connected or not. Same goes for search engines, stuff like this. So it's a good idea to use a label right here, nest your text inside of it. For now, this doesn't change anything. But you can connect the label and the input by using for and ID. And it has to have the same value. Make the value descriptive. So in my case, first name makes sense for this input field as I want the user to add his first name. So make for and ID the same value of first name. And now screen reader, search engines, they know that this is connected. And this is usually what the label tag is used for in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.